Today I'm going to teach you how to teach your second grade class about the ecosystem. Today we're going to be learning about what plants need to grow. These three things include sun, water, and soil. We're going to start out with the lesson by letting the kids use art to express what a flower looks like to them. This gives the children a chance to engage with the learning experience and have fun. This also gives the teachers a chance to assess the children and see where they are on the topic. This is an example of what their picture should look like. Each child should have their own piece of paper with crayons and colored pencils so they can draw what a flower looks like to them. If you want to take it a step further, you could have each child come to the front of the classroom to show the class their picture. This gives the children a chance to get comfortable talking in front of people. We are going to start off the lesson by talking about the importance of the sun. First off, the green coloring in the leaves is called chlorophyll. The chlorophyll takes the sunlight from the sun and turns it into energy for the plant. But if the plant gets too much sun, the plant could get dried out, and if the plant doesn't get enough sun, the plant could stop growing and eventually die. Next, we're going to talk about the importance of water. Water helps a plant stand up because without water, a plant would droop. Water is also needed to help soak up the nutrients to feed the plant. If you don't have enough water, the food will not be able to gain the nutrients it needs. If the plant has too much water, the roots of the plant will end up drowning. Lastly, we will be talking about the importance of soil. The soil holds the roots in place to support the plant. The soil also contains the nutrients the plant needs in order to survive. If the soil is packed too tight around the plant, the roots may not be able to expand and grow. After the lesson is taught about why plants need sun, water, and soil, we're going to start our hands-on experiment. This experiment contains 4 flowers in 4 different containers. The first flower is going to be a flower with only sun. The second flower is going to only have water. The third plant is going to only have soil. And the fourth flower will have sun, water, and soil. As you can see on this slide, the kids will each have a journal to document what they see for each flower. The kids will document the flowers over a span of 5 days to see which flower holds up the best. There will be a box next to each description so the kids can use art again to draw how the flowers are wilting or growing. This is a good way for teachers to assess how the children are learning and how engaged they are with the experiment. This journal will show the children that the plant that gets sun, water, and soil will grow the best and survive the longest. So to wrap up the overall lesson, you will start out by having the children draw what a flower looks like to them, and then you will go into the lesson about why plants need sun, water, and soil. Next, you will do the hands-on experiment where you put a flower in each substance, and then you have the children document what is going on with each flower day by day. After the children document the flowers, you should put them in small groups so they can discuss what they learned. I hope you guys all enjoyed my lesson, and I hope you can put it to use someday. Thanks for listening.